Vegetable 101 for Macy.
Onion.
What's that?
Onion.
White onion. Next. What's that?
Yellow.
What's that?
Yellow.
It's a?
It's
What's that?
I don't know.
Garlic. Oh, let's go to the vegetables. This.
I don't know.
Kasi hindi ka nakain ng gulay kaya hindi mo alam. What is this?
Papaya.
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 Next. Here, over here. This one. What is this? This one, what is this?
Chili.
Anong chili? Eggplant.
This one.
Oh, what's that?
I don't know.
What is this?
I don't know.
I don't know also ano ba to? Lufa.
Lupa.
Angled lufa.
What is this?
Oh, what is that? What is this?
Cabbage.
What?
Cabbage.
Very good. This one.
Onion.
Ano?
Onion.
What is this?
I don't know.
What is this?
Onion.
Purple cabbage. There's a purple
This
cabbage.
one.
Oh, what is this?
Green cabbage.
What?
Green cabbage.
Green cabbage. That is pechay bagyo.
That's
This one. What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this?
tomato.
Ha?
Tomato.
Tomato? Patay tayo dyan. What is this?
Tomato.
Patay tayo dyan. Potato, anak. Potato. 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 This one. Alam mo na to. What is this?
Carrot.
It's carrot. Did you eat carrots? Are you eating carrots?
Yeah.
Ni? Unti lang.
Red chili.
Red chili.
Orange chili.
Orange chili. What else? This one. What is this? Chili. Labuyo.
Labuyo.
Chiling labuyo.
How about
yan.
the orange one?
Orange chili. This
Malunggay.
This one? Malunggay. Malunggay. It's a string beans. String beans. Okay. This one. What is this? What is that?
Broccoli.
Broccoli. Ito, sa kabila. Ito. What is this?
Cabbage.
Huh?
Cabbage.
Cabbage. Cauliflower. It's a